So welcome back to my review of the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. At a level, I made a comparison to the Meguiar Synthetic Express Wax. The main difference is this is truly a wax product. Hence, it has the word wax right in the label. This is a detailer. It's not a wax product. It's just a gloss enhancer. So check this out. I've got my Sonax, but it's their Brilliant Shine Detailer. And I'm working on this Maserati. I'm in the direct sunlight. It's about 90 degrees outside and the humidity is about 47% and it sucks. This is hot paint. My guess is, without pulling out my heat gun, this is probably about 160 degrees. So someone made a comment, said, hey Darren, you gotta try the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. So I purchased some. I've been using it in a shaded, controlled environment, thumbs up. But in my world, where I have to contend with the elements like direct sun, hot paint, so forth, thumbs down. And this is why I keep going back to my products that I continue to use, like Meguiar Synthetic Express Wax. I can use that in the direct sun on the hottest of hot paints, and it's a non-issue. If I use this and I allow it to dry it all, and that's where you can tweak it, meaning it says, the directions clearly say do not use it on hot paint. Can I still make it work? Yes. What I have to do is I have to work very quickly so that it does not dry on the paint. Because once this dries on the paint, all the little overspray, it becomes miserable. And no, I'm not resting my elbow enough to dimple this hood. So don't worry and don't go into freak out mode. I'm very conscientious of what I'm doing. So if the overspray is allowed to dry, it is miserable to get off. So if you're a Sonax fan, go for it. It's a good product. But for me, in the real world of working in the environment, exposed to the elements, it's not gonna work for me. So there we have it. You can look at this hood, looks great. I was able to use it in the direct sunlight. I just had to work quickly. There's nothing wrong with that, but I prefer options. I prefer some flexibility. I don't want to have to micromanage every little droplet of overspray. So that's why I prefer, still to this day, the Meguiar's Synthetic Express Wax. But do I like this under controlled conditions? Yes, I do. I wanted to cut to the chase. I whipped out my Meguiar's Synthetic Express Wax and I finished this car and I wanted to show you the windows, the paint, the chrome. It looks fabulous. It looks great. What's to overthink? I mean, the product just performs. And by the way, don't forget, yes, if you like the video, if you're learning something, just give me a little thumbs up. Okay? Add a comment. Just say, nice video. It could be 2 words. Anything. You know why? Because that helps me. It makes my videos more relevant with YouTube. Even if you make a bad comment or a thumbs down, I don't care. I mean, just be honest. I'm not asking you to be dishonest. I'm just asking you to participate. So I take the time to make these videos in the hopes that you guys can learn something and take something away to use it in your world. But it helps me, and in the process of helping me, you're also helping others. Because if my videos become more relevant, then guess what? Other people in your same situation will be able to find this information.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and